You're going to want to start collecting all of your bottles once you see this DIY. Hey, I'm Janelle. This is to DIY. You're going to want to start collecting all of your bottles once you see this DIY. I love to keep things very budget friendly. Hey, I'm Janelle. This is to DIY. I do new videos DIY. So if you love what I'm doing, please tell your friends. Please subscribe so you come back every week and check out. Hey, I'm Janelle. This is to DIY. I do new videos. I actually got this idea when we traveled down south earlier this year. The resort that we stayed at had this really great restaurant. I do new videos, and I noticed their cups had been made out of your bottles once you see this DIY. I know that this is something very simple and easy for me to do, so I finally went out and bought the tool to do it. All of your bottles once you see this DIY. All you really have to do is just collect a lot of different bottles. This is to DIY for I do new videos. They've got some really unique, beautiful ones out there. I mean, you could do blue glasses, you can do clear ones, green ones. There's all sorts of options and different shapes as well. So start collecting your favorite styles so that you can create an entire, set. This is to DIY. I do new videos. Let me show you how you can do these.
All right, so I am using these Magnata blueberry wine bottles exclusively because this is the only thing my mom drinks, and I had her collect a bunch for me because if you're doing this, you're going to want a lot of bottles, more than you think you'll need, because it takes a while to get the hang of it. So first, to get the labels off the bottles, I had a little kind of system working here. You need to boil water, pour it inside the bottles, and then you're going to want to let that sit for a couple of minutes.
Show you how you can do these.
And while you're doing that, you can boil more water, and then eventually you can kind of start working on the other ways to do this. So these sat for a few minutes, and as you can see, the stickers peel right off. So easy. So once you get all the label off, you're going to want to pour out that hot water, and then we're going to use this Clorox bleach. I found it worked really well. Maybe just some regular dish soap would work, but I need to let that sit for at least 2 minutes. So just work away on some other bottles if you have them. I find that this worked really well.
I do new videos at DIY glasses.
And look at how easy this just wipes off. Really not using a lot of pressure, not having to do a lot of scrubbing, and then just rinsing it off, and we've got some clean bottles. Hands down, easiest way I've ever removed labels.
This is to DIY.
So this is my bottle cutting machine.
Let me show you how you can do these.
I will leave it linked down below for you.
All of your bottles.
It's around $25.
Hey,
but that's the cutting piece there. We've got some wheels to keep the bottle in place, and in the back mount you can adjust to make it different size glasses. So I'm going to gently put this in place, and keep in mind where I started, and slowly start to rotate. This is where you either do it right or you do it wrong. The idea here is to get a small etch into the glass, and you only need to do one rotation, but it really is kind of tricky to keep that glass bottle steady in the right place and rotating nice and smoothly. So I screwed this up quite a few times, to be honest.
New videos at DIY glasses.
Let me roll these rubber bands on. This came in the kit that I had, and as you can see, here is a closer look at that etch that I made. And only go around once. My instructions on my kit told me to go around twice, and that is such a bad idea. Once is enough. Twice you will ruin it because it will just be slightly off. So you're going to take some boiling hot water. You're going to pour it over that little crack that you made. Then you're going to dunk it in some ice cold water. Then we're going to go back to the boiling water and
show you how you can do these.
Off like that. This just happens to be the best glass that I did. It's the only one I recorded, and it happens to be the best glass I did. It was like a perfect clean cut. The others I cannot say the same for. Then your next step is going to be using some sandpaper. You need sandpaper that can get wet. Mine came in the kit that I bought, and you're going to wet it, and you're going to go ahead and sand these glasses. You do need to sand them for quite a while, and make sure you sand off the edges so you can drink out of them. So here are two of the other glasses that I did decide to keep. I sanded a bunch, but there were some little tiny nicks out of them. And as you can see, here's a completely destroyed bottle, absolutely unusable. Out of 8 bottles, I got 2 pretty perfect glasses.
Show you how you can do these.
And 2 kind of okay glasses. I think that they're good enough to work. There's just a very small nick out of the 2. So I destroyed 4 bottles. That's why I say you need more than you think. I think I started to get the hang of it on like my 6th bottle. So get more than what you need, what you think you need, and start collecting some bottles. I think they make really great water glasses. You can use them for drinks. And of course, I'm going to keep collecting these so I can continue to add to my set. Let me know what you thought of this DIY, and I'll be back next week with a new one.